Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 mirrorless cameras in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading mirrorless camera that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Sony Alpha A6400 mirrorless camera. This compact powerhouse is perfect for photographers and vloggers alike. Let's explore its standout features and see what makes it special. The A6400 boasts real-time eye autofocus, ensuring your subjects are always sharp. Whether you're capturing portraits or action shots, this feature guarantees precision and clarity. With 4K video recording, your footage will be incredibly detailed and vibrant. The camera's advanced processing ensures smooth, high-quality videos, making it ideal for content creators. The tiltable LCD screen is a game-changer for vloggers. Easily frame your shots and monitor your recordings, whether you're filming yourself or capturing the world around you. Capture every moment with up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting. This speed, combined with 24.2 MP resolution, delivers stunning, crisp images every time. The included 16 to 50 mm lens is perfect for various shooting scenarios. Plus, the camera comes with essential accessories like a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, and more. In conclusion, the Sony Alpha A6400 is a versatile, high-performance camera that excels in both photography and videography. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this camera is a fantastic choice. Number 4. The Panasonic LUMIX G7 4K digital camera. This mirrorless beauty promises professional photo and video capabilities. Let's see what makes it stand out. The LUMIX G7 boasts a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, ensuring sharp images with high dynamic range. No low-pass filter means artifact-free performance. Perfect for capturing stunning photos. Experience 4K QFHD video recording at 30 frames per second. With unique 4K photo modes, you can extract high-resolution photos from your videos, capturing those split-second moments effortlessly. Control aperture and shutter settings easily with front and rear dials. Adjust white balance and ISO on the fly. Plus, assign favorite settings to any of the 6 function buttons. The high-resolution OLED live viewfinder and 3-inch tilt swivel LCD display are clear even in bright sunlight. Perfect for framing your shots with precision. Stay connected with a 3.5mm external mic port, USB 2.0, and micro HDMI. Compatible with UHS-I UHS-2 SDXC SDHC cards for storing high-resolution 4K videos. In conclusion, the Panasonic LUMIX G7 is a versatile and powerful camera, perfect for both photography enthusiasts and professionals. Number 3. The Nikon Z50 with 2 lenses. This compact, lightweight mirrorless camera is perfect for both stills and video. Let's explore its features. The Nikon Z50 is durably constructed, making it ideal for on-the-go photography. Its compact size ensures easy handling and portability. As the first DX-format mirrorless camera with a 55mm lens mount, it offers superior image quality and low-light performance, enhancing your photography experience. With a 20.9 MP sensor and 4K UHD video capabilities, the Z50 delivers stunning visuals, whether you're capturing photos or recording videos. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make pairing with your smartphone a breeze, allowing for quick sharing and remote control. The flip-down touch LCD screen is perfect for selfies and vlogging, making it a versatile tool for content creators. In conclusion, overall, the Nikon Z50 with 2 lenses is a fantastic choice for photographers and videographers alike. Its compact design, high-quality performance, and user-friendly features make it a must-have. Number 2. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera with the RF S18-45mm f4.5-6.3 ISSTM lens kit. This hybrid camera is perfect for both photo and video enthusiasts. The Canon EOS R50 boasts a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, delivering stunning image clarity in detail. Perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. With up to 12 frames per second using the electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter, this camera is ideal for capturing fast action shots effortlessly. Featuring dual-pixel CMOS AF2, the camera covers up to 100% x 100% area with 651 AF zones. It uses deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking. The advanced A+ Assist mode offers expanded auto-compatible scenes, ensuring great imagery even in challenging lighting conditions like night or backlit scenarios. Enjoy 6K oversampled uncropped 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and Full HD high frame rate recording at up to 120 frames per second. Perfect for content creators and vloggers. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 is a versatile and powerful camera, perfect for both photography and videography. Whether you're a vlogger or a content creator, this camera has got you covered. Number 1. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10, a fantastic APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera kit. Let's see what makes it special. First up, the ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor. This means stunning image quality and incredible detail in every shot, perfect for all your vlogging needs. Next, let's talk about video. The camera offers 4K movie recording oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. This ensures crisp, clear, and vibrant videos every time. One standout feature is the product showcase setting. It smoothly transitions focus from your face to any object you hold up, making product reviews a breeze. Need that professional look? The background defocus button instantly toggles the defocus effect on or off, giving you beautiful, blurred backgrounds with just one touch. Finally, live streaming is a cinch with the ZV-E10. Just connect a single USB cable, and you're ready to go, no extra hardware or software needed. In conclusion, that's the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 in a nutshell. It's packed with features that make vlogging easier and more fun. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.